Hey, what's going on, guys? Today in this video I got a mod for you that's $20. Stay tuned. Yo, welcome back, guys. So it's a mod or an accessory, whatever you want to call it, but here, this thing, you can probably tell what it is by the picture, but whatever, I'm gonna show you right now. It's a really cool thing. So you ready? Here it is. So it's a fuel tank cap cover. I got it in red. There's also blue, and just basically this is how it looks. Just has fuel and then like a few of the pictures at the bottom and at the top. So if you're looking like, let's say your cap has like a bunch of words on it and you don't like how it looks, or it looks kind of used out already, almost dead, you can just get this cover. It's only $20 and it'll make your car look way better. I mean, people will see as well on the gas station that you have a red gas cap, you know. So yeah, and here's the back. It comes with two 3M things on the top and at the bottom to hold it on your cap. I just added some tape over here just to put it on, and so we can see how it looks. So let's go. And here's how it looks like. Just open it, and then it'll just be like this. Red fuel cap. And then you put it in, close it, and you're done. Red cap. So that is it for this video, guys. As you saw, that's how it looks. Pretty cool, at least to me. Yeah, it's only $20. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.